With the rise of more powerful mobile chips and a wider adoption by developers, more and more people are starting to game on their mobiles every single day. And today I wanted to share with you my top 10 reasons why I think the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the perfect mobile gaming machine on the market right now. Some of these reasons may just surprise you. Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clip. So yes, of course, before we get into this top 10 list, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen, then 1, lucky you, and 2, go down there, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. I'm trying to keep consistent with this schedule. It's slowing me down, I'm slowly draining, and I'm kind of running out of products to review. I've got one in the pipeline of a Doogie phone, which I'm quite excited about, but let me know what you guys want me to review down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to try and get it in. So let's get right on with this top 10 and start off with number 1, the CPU and GPU power. Let's get the big one out of the way right now. This thing is spec'd to the 9. Honestly, it is incredible. With either the Snapdragon 888 or the Exynos 2100, this is an amazing machine. With RAM that can go up to 16GB as well, this can play basically any game you throw at it and it will not drop a frame. And this includes games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, and even Black Desert Online. Number 2, Galaxy Store exclusives. Alongside the main Google Play Store, we also have the Samsung Galaxy Store. This is the Samsung Store for all apps. But what's important here is they have app exclusives. And these are not small budget games. These are games like SpongeBob SquarePants: The Battle for Bikini Bottom, one of my personal favourite games as a child. So to see this on the Galaxy Store is incredible. Of course you do have to pay for it, but this is an experience that you will only be able to get on a Galaxy device. What this means is these experiences are tailored towards these devices so you can get as much power as you need for those high-end gaming experiences wherever you go. Number 3, the screen. The screen on the Ultra is literally perfect for any kind of gaming or multimedia consumption. At 6.5 inches in size with a resolution of 4K and even a variable refresh rate up to 120Hz, games have never looked or felt any better or smoother than they have on this device. This kind of refresh rate gives you an upper hand, especially when playing those multiplayer shooters like PUBG or Call of Duty. Number 4, the battery. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but with a 5000 mAh battery, this is one of the higher capacity phones on the market right now, and it means that you can game for longer. And obviously you don't have to juice up, so for whatever length your road trip is, you know you're going to have games and entertainment for that whole trip. Number 5, connectivity. Connectivity is important in gaming, especially with the new age of cloud streaming. With services like Stadia and xCloud, using the cloud to pull down games and stream them to your device. These are multiple AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 straight from the cloud to your phone. Having Wi-Fi 6 and 5G support means that you can have a rock solid and fast connection, be that at home or on the road. Number 6, special xCloud support. Microsoft and Samsung have been in bed with each other for a while now, but it's finally gotten serious. And what this means is xCloud streams flawlessly on Samsung devices. You can even connect up a Bluetooth controller or a hardwired controller, play these games wherever you go. Even if you don't have a controller, they have some touchscreen control games as well, like Minecraft Dungeon and even Gears of War 5. This of course is a feature for most Android devices, but here with that screen, with that connectivity, there is no better time to get into xCloud. And this is a downside better than iOS right now, because with iOS you cannot stream games at all. No platforms will allow it. And this is a constant fight that they're fighting. Number 7, perfect thermals. While gaming, phones' processors are known to get pretty hot, and sometimes even thermal throttle. But with this phone, that's simply not the case. Overall, this leads to a more comfortable and less throttled gaming solution. Number 8, Game Boost. Game Boost is an awesome feature which is exclusive to Samsung phones, but what it allows you to do allows you to play your games without disruption and well optimized. These help manage system resources, like closing down background apps and closing any RAM and freeing up any RAM that it thinks it might need for the game. We also have Do Not Disturb mode, which is turned on automatically with Game Boost, so you're never going to get stopped by annoying phone calls or texts. Number 9. Emulators. Android has always been great for emulation, and with the extra power that we've got here, more and more emulators are becoming usable on these Android phones. Everything from the PSP to even the Nintendo Wii plays flawlessly on this device. So what this means is you have a near endless library at your fingertips. No matter what your generation, no matter what your game style, there is something out there for you that can be emulated on this phone. And finally, number 10. This phone is built to last. With the great power of this phone comes great responsibility and, well, longevity. Any future game mobile releases are almost guaranteed to work on this phone flawlessly just because of those specs, and I believe this to be the case for the next 5 or maybe even 6 years. This phone is well before its time in terms of power and technology, and I don't see it slowing down anytime soon. Anyway guys, did I miss anything off of this list? If I did, why don't you let me know in the comment section down below? And of course, while you're down there, get subscribed, hit that like button, maybe even tell me in the comments what you want to see next, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.